Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. And now let us see how you can get this finance course for absolutely free. As you can see here, the original price of this course is 999 rupees, but you are going to get this course for free. Before we see how you can get the course for free, let us see what you can get out of this course. So basically, this is a course through which you can learn the fundamentals of finance, and the language of instruction will be English, and this is a basic course. So you cannot expect in-depth topics, but this is a basic level course through which you can learn all the fundamentals like I said earlier. And this is a self-paced online program. Just a second, here it is. So this is a self-paced online program, so you can just enroll in whenever you have time, and after that you have to complete the course within 3 years. So this is a short course. You have nearly 2 to 3 hours of content, so you can easily complete it. As you can see, more than 5,000 students have already taken this course, and you have nearly 30 plus videos, which accounts for 2 plus hours of content. And after completing the course content, you have to take a test or exam, you can call it whatever you want. And after passing that exam successfully, you will get a certificate of completion from elearnmarkets for this particular A to Z of finance course. And if you just scroll down further here, you can see these are the topics which are going to be covered in this particular course. So importance of financial literacy, importance of investment, setting of financial goals, concept of capital, share, and all these concepts are going to be covered in this particular course. And anyone who wants to learn about finance can start with this course. And in my personal opinion, I feel that this is something everyone should do, because financial knowledge is a must these days. So here you can get about the course preview, and if you just go to the outline here, you can see they have divided this course into 8 different sections. So the first 7 sections is all about learning. You will learn, and in the 8th section you will take the self-evaluation test, and here are the rules for that. So basically you will get 40 minutes and you will have questions in MCQ format. So all you need to do is just mark whichever one is right, and there will be no negative marking, and you have to score a minimum of 60% to get your certificate. And here they have also explained how you can download your certificate after completing the course. So after completion of your course, you can go to my certificate tab in student dashboard and you can download the certificate. So once you log in, you will get to know about the dashboard and all those stuff. And they have also given a forum. You can just ask whatever questions you have in this, and even if you have any doubts, you can post that here. So now let us see how you can get this course for free. So the first step is to click on this login button that you see here at the right top, and then click on this register, and you can sign up in this platform using your Facebook account or Google account or even with your Apple ID, or you can use your email account, any email account, and create your account in this platform. So the first step is to create your account and log into your account. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So as you can see here, I have logged into my account. So once you are logged into your account, just click on this enroll now button that you see here. Click on it and you will be directed to the checkout page, that is the cart page. And here you can see the price is around 999 rupees. But we are going to get it for free like I said earlier. So we are going to use a 100% off coupon code to get this course for free. So let me use a coupon code. Just watch it carefully and use the same coupon code and get this course for free. So the coupon is FINANCE, finance. So this is the coupon code through which you can get this course for free. So now I have entered the coupon code. Let me just click on this apply button. And now you can see here, we are going to get this course for free. The amount payable is 0. So all you need to do now is just click on this start learning button. And then you will be directed to another page, which will look something like this. Just wait a moment. I think the page is loading here. So you'll be directed to a page like this, and from here you will be again redirected to your own dashboard. Just wait for 10 seconds. So that's the change here. Usually you'll be directed to the dashboard, but in this case they have updated, so you'll be directed to the course page itself. So here they have given the sections. You can just see it in the right side. These are the sections which we saw earlier, and once you watch all the videos and complete the course content, you can take the test, and once you are done with it, you can get your certificate as well. So I hope you'll definitely find this useful, and if you would like to get more updates about online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.